How to sign up for a Max free trial. Max, formerly known as HBO Max, is a streaming service offering a vast library of content, including HBO originals, Warner Brothers films, and more. While Max does not typically offer free trials directly, there are alternative methods to access a free trial through third-party services. 1. Utilize Amazon Prime Video channels. As of February 2025, Max is offering a 7-day free trial for new subscribers through Amazon Prime Video channels. This offer is available until February 22, 2025. 2. Ensure Amazon Prime membership. To access this free trial, you must be an Amazon Prime member. If you're not already a member, Amazon offers a 30-day free trial for new users. 3. Access Max via Prime Video channels. Once your Amazon Prime membership is active, navigate to the Prime Video channels section and select Max. 4. Start the 7-day free trial. Click on the option to start your 7-day free trial of Max. After the trial period, the subscription will automatically renew at $9.99 per month unless canceled. 5. Explore Max content. During the trial, you can stream a wide range of content including popular series like The White Lotus, The Righteous Gemstones, and The Last of Us. Please note that this free trial is only available through Amazon Prime Video channels and requires an active Amazon Prime membership. Ensure you cancel before the trial period ends if you do not wish to continue the subscription. By following these steps, you can enjoy a 7-day free trial of Max and explore its extensive content library.